What's up guys, Manny from Motomillion. It's one more time for a Panigale V2. The Panigale V2 is back on the bench because we got our Rizoma clear clutch cover. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Clear clutch covers are not a new concept on the Ducatis, especially the modern lineup. Since 959, 1199, 1299, I think they've been the most common mods out there. And this is Rizoma's interpretation of it. This is the casing, and this is our pressure plate and spring retainer. What's different? Obviously, the Duca bike one has been around forever, and it's the most common one that people use. The Rizoma one, other than style being different, you're a little limited with the color choices. It only comes in black, black silver, and black red. What does that mean? This comes as a kit. So your cover and your pressure plate and spring retainer comes as a kit. You can't mix and match some of the colors that are available. So if you want the most customizable thing, obviously the Duca bike will still be your choice. But if you want the style and the look of the Rizoma one, I think this one looks pretty distinct. But let's talk in more working. Let's get this on the bike and see how it looks. This is our stock pressure plate, and the Rizoma one already has the bearing inside. The only part that you got to use is this part right here. It's the little bushing that's for the actuator for your clutch, for the hydraulic clutch. And I want to take this time to remind you guys that our videos are never instructional videos. We only show you guys the process of our builds. And I'm just going to get this bushing out, transfer over to the Rizoma one, and then we'll start putting it back together. I mentioned only the bushing was what we transfer over. I kind of forgot these clips. Don't forget these clips. They're just little spring inserts that go into place for your retainer bolts. And I'm going to put them right in here like this, and then we'll be ready to install it on the bike. Well, the clear clutch cover is on, everything is torqued, everything's looking beautiful, and I'm so happy because it's staying true to our black, silver, black, gray theme. And if you look in here, the border alongside inside of this clear clutch cover is all silver, including our spring retainer. Everything is looking good. Let me put it back together, put a little bit of oil back into the bike, we'll roll this thing out, and we'll get it started so that we see this thing in action when it's spinning. The bike's back together, and I want to ask you to be the judge to let me know if it goes well with that black, silver, black, gray theme that we're going on with this bike. And I want to let you guys know, just like this Rizoma clutch cover kit that we installed, all the videos that we shoot, we put a link in the description below for all the parts that we used. And in this case, the Panigale V2 and the Street Fighter V2 fitment for this clutch cover kit is the same. And they're also available in a very, very similar look for the Street Fighter V4 and in the Panigale V4 fitment. And I guess now's the time. Let's pull this baby out and let's start it up and see this thing in action. While the bike's outside, luckily this thing sounds amazing, and you guys will get to see that spin while you hear this beautiful V2. Let's go, let's hear it. that looks so cool. If it's not hypnotizing, it's just beautiful. And this V2 undoubtedly sounds really good, guys. And if you guys notice, there's a little bit of condensation. That's totally normal. That'll go away when your bike is fully warmed up. And as always, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Until next time, guys, have a good one.